In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wix Chat to your site. This simple yet powerful tool allows anyone visiting your site to instantly initiate a conversation with you, offering a seamless way to engage with your audience in real time. Whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or just running a personal site, integrating Wix Chat can enhance your site's interactivity and foster better connections with your visitors. So let's dive into the process of adding Wix Chat to your site, ensuring that you can start engaging with your visitors more effectively. First, you'll want to head over to your Wix editor. When you open it up, you'll see a series of options on the left side of the panel. Look for the Add Apps option. This is your gateway to the Wix app market, where you can find a variety of applications designed to enhance your website's functionality. Once you're in the Wix app market, you'll find a search bar at the top of the interface. Go ahead and type in Wix Chat. This handy tool is exactly what you're looking for. As you search, it should pop up quickly. When you see Wix Chat, click on it. You'll be presented with more information about the app, including its features and benefits, which can be incredibly useful if you're still on the fence about using it. Now it's time to add this app to your site. Look for the Add to Site button and give it a click. At this point, it's important to be patient. The app needs a moment to load and fully integrate with your site. The integration process might take a little time. So don't worry if it doesn't happen instantaneously. Grab a cup of coffee or take a short break. Wix Chat will be ready soon. After the app has successfully loaded, it's time to make it your own. Think about how you want visitors to perceive your brand through the chat box. Customize it to reflect your business's personality. This might include adjusting the color scheme to match your brand colors, editing the welcome message to give it a personal touch, or even selecting an icon that resonates with your brand identity. Beyond the visual aspects, you also have the flexibility to optimize Wix Chat by customizing your chat settings. If you have specific hours during which you're available for live chat, you can set scheduled chat hours. Additionally, consider adding pre-chat forms to gather essential visitor information, or even incorporate FAQ buttons to address common queries faster. By taking the time to tailor these settings to fit your needs, you'll ensure that Wix Chat works best for you and your visitors. And with that, your Wix Chat is ready to go, creating a welcoming space for visitors to connect with you and enabling more dynamic interactions on your site. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now well on your way to engaging with your audience through Wix Chat.